Hi everyone, this week I'm doing a little lesson on clothing items and the names for students to identify and be able to write and understand. My first clothing item is a pair of pants. I'll present these to the class and then write the name, the word on my board. Pants. Pants. Good job. This is a blouse. Blouse. Shirt or t-shirt. Blouse. T-shirt. T-shirt. Pants. T-shirt. And the next word would be dress. Dress. Good job. Can you say it again? Dress. Good job. This would conclude the lesson that the teacher would be doing demonstrating. The rest of my lesson plan includes having some games with different clothing items and an assessment at the end where the students will be writing and using the words that they learn. Thank you for coming to my lesson today. Have a great day.